Welcome back to video number 2. This is for Meyer MAPP 3D tutorial, map assignment number 4 for the Speaker Systems Design and Optimization course at Husson University. My name is Eric Ferguson, and I'll be your guide here as we insert a cardioid subwoofer array into our existing map file. So that is pretty easy to do. You go up to Insert, Loudspeaker System, and you want to choose a gradient flown subwoofer array. And then the speakers we're going to be using are 750 LFCs. The speakers in the Gracie Theater at Husson University are actually 500 HPs, and those are not in map, so we're kind of getting to the closest speaker. The 750 and the 500s are actually pretty similar in size. They are probably different in phase response and power and other things, but at least they are similar in size. So that's cool. We're going to put those, we're going to name the speaker system, excuse me, cardioid subs here. So it's card I can spell, I promise, subs. And we need to put that on a cardioid subs layer, which I forgot to make, so we'll have to do that in just a second. It's going on the mains right layer. And we're going to, it's going to be, I'm having a moment here. We want it to be 6 elements deep. So here it is, quantity 6. So there'll be 4 facing forward and 2 facing backwards. And we're going to put the front speakers on Galileo channel 15 and the rear-facing speakers on Galileo channel 16. If you might remember from our last assignment, we have arrays on, the line arrays are on channels 1 through 4. We'll put the subs on channels 15 and 16. Of course, we have a 6-box array named cardioid subs. It's 750 LSCs, and I'm putting it on the wrong layer because I made a mistake and didn't make the layer, so we're going to put it on the rights layer. It's automatically going to put the delay in, I'm pretty sure. Actually, if you do this, it will do that for you. It will insert the delay. So let's apply and insert. And oops, I messed up. I didn't put in the right location. You can see how far off it is. It's like underneath the stage. That's not going to work. We can change that really quickly. That was my mistake. It's going to be 6 feet downstage, and the y-axis is 0. It's going to be in the center of the stage. And the most important part is that the bumper bar, the height of the where we put the hook to hang the speakers, is 29 feet up in the air. And I should have done all this to begin with, and I didn't. I apologize, but it's good to see it anyway. Now it will be as we expect it. The array is flown up in the air. Now we're going to put it on the right layer. So let's make a subwoofer layer here. So I'm going to add a new layer. You can call it cardioid subs. What did I say in the instructions? Add a layer, name it cardioid subs. Well, there you go. That's original. Cardioid subs. And now let's take that, select that speaker system, go back to object settings, and move it over to the cardioid subs layer. So that's good. We have done that. And it's all handy. And what else to say? Here's kind of a picture in the instructions of how you're supposed to have all that set up. We want to go visit the processor and see how it's configured. It has automatically, because I put that little checkbox on when I inserted it, it has automatically reversed the polarity and added 2.5 milliseconds to the rear sub channel. And we should probably name these correctly. I think this is in the instructions. We're going to name them subs front and subs rear, so we'll know what channels we're working on. Definitely going to be doing a lot of that. Subs rear. I can capitalize correctly, I promise. And let's predict and see how it looks. We're going to look at 80 hertz. And to look at 80 hertz, you need to put the, change the resolution to 3rd octave. And let's pick 80 hertz. Do that by going down to, and we'll pick 80 hertz. I've kind of boo-booed here. Maybe I only can do this. Oh, sorry, did I put it on 3rd? I put it on 6th octave. That was my mistake. Excuse me, bump the microphone. So we have a 3rd octave resolution, 80 hertz, and predict. And it's actually kind of cool right now to expose the stage. We don't normally need to see the stage, but this will give us an idea what the polar pattern of the loudspeakers look like. Let's predict. And that's funny. It did not do the stage at all. And, oh, I didn't do this. I also just didn't. I had the main selected as well. What is up with the stage? I'm going to unlock the stage. It looks like I have not made the stage a prediction plane. And we definitely want that stage prediction. There we go. Now, let's select the subs only. You could also hide the mains or whatever, but selecting the subs will do just the same. And let's see what that pattern looks like. And you can see it's definitely cardioid. It's aiming forward. It's the loudest there in the down front of the balcony, and it's pretty quiet on stage, which is why we have cardioid subs. Before you move forward, make sure you do a screenshot of just the coverage there, the cardioid coverage. So let's predict again here. This should be cardioid. And you want to do a screenshot of this because you have to turn this in with the assignment. So do a screenshot on my Mac here. It's Command-Shift-5, and I can take a picture of the whole venue here. And I'm going to save that screenshot. And you are going to make one as well. And make sure on yours to name it 01-cardioid subs with your name. You're going to take a bunch of screenshots in this assignment, and this is the first one to show me you successfully put in the subs. We're done with the stage, so we can hide that. I'm sorry, that's not how you hide it. You hide it over here. I'm going to lock that stage to speed things up. But we definitely have a cardioid pattern, and it looks similar to the drawing, the prediction I made earlier. So that'll be the end of this second video, and I'll catch you on the flip side here on video 3 in a moment where we start configuring the crossovers, okay? See you soon. Bye-bye.